If you're considering buying the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you might want to hold off and wait for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as it's expected to bring some notable upgrades. While the S24 Ultra offers strong performance and an impressive camera setup, rumors suggest the S25 Ultra will introduce Samsung's cutting-edge developments in both hardware and software. The S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, rumored to be built on a more efficient 3nm process, which could mean better power efficiency and longer battery life. Additionally, Samsung might enhance the camera system further, possibly introducing a larger sensor or better AI capabilities for low-light photography and video. Other speculated upgrades include improved display technology, faster charging speeds, and enhanced biometric security features, potentially making the S25 Ultra a far more future-proof device. So, while the S24 Ultra is undoubtedly a powerful phone, waiting for the S25 Ultra could offer a more refined and long-lasting investment in the Galaxy lineup.